Hello guys, welcome back to a new vlog. What am I doing today? I have something so exciting to share with you. I genuinely haven't been this excited in such a long time. Obviously there's food involved. Possibly one of the only reasons I would ever be this excited. I have managed to get my hands on a very, very rare object. A Ninja Dual Max. Basically an air fryer, but it's really good. Okay, so this is the AF400UK. I know that they also do an AF451UK. This one has the kind of like manual dial that you turn. The 451 is the digital one, which you kind of press the buttons and it's all like digital screen and stuff. I have heard that that one breaks a little bit more easily than this one, so I decided to go for this, and this comes in stock much more often. And on top of that, I also made sure to get insurance for it, which was another £30 for 3 years. It's so big. I don't want to break the box, but maybe I'm gonna have to. You can roast whole chickens in here. I know it sounds ridiculous, but apparently you can. I've seen it done many a time on TikTok. So the Ninja Foodi Max Dual Zone 9.5 litre air fryer. You can also get a slightly smaller one than this, which is 7.5 litres. And that's just called the Ninja Foodi Dual Zone, not the Max. The Max is the 9.5. Dual Zone meaning that it's got 2 zones that you can cook your food in at 2 different temperatures, and I think at 2 different like timings. But that was one thing that I really wanted to make sure, because our oven, I don't know if I've shown you actually, let me show you our oven. It's a hot point and it's a gas oven, meaning that it actually uses gas even in the oven itself rather than just electric to heat up the food, which I kind of found really scary at first, but I don't really mind it now. And it actually gives a really nice crisping to some food as well, but it is quite small. I think it would be a good aid for us to have the Ninja as well as this to cook and prepare our foods. Right, so I need to tell you a little bit of a story time on this, because this has been really difficult to get my hands on. I've actually tried to order another one for some friends today and failed 3 times. So I was under the impression that I could just pick one of these up when we moved in. However, it turns out that they're sold out everywhere. They are like gold dust. They're obviously very, very popular. I think a reason being, with the energy bills rising at the moment, that these actually can cut your energy used for cooking your meals in half, which is fantastic. So they will basically pay themselves off over time. But I downloaded this app called Hot Stock. I'll actually show you it on my phone now because it's super clever. So on my phone here, I've got this app, and I hope that you can see it there, but it's called Hot Stock. If we click into it, this is the homepage, and the first thing that popped up anyway is the Ninja Dual Air Fryer, because it's obviously so popular, but there are some other things there. If you come over to alerts, you can choose what you want to set an alert on. So I have got the Ninja Dual Max 400 and then the 451. This one, I feel like never comes in stock. Ever. But I'm so happy that it's here. I really am. Cook different foods ready to serve at the same time, up to 75% faster than fan ovens and up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. You can, on this, get a max crisp, air fry, roast, reheat, dehydrate, I thought I'd seen that, and bake. I think it's one of the health benefits of an air fryer is that you don't have to use as much oil, but I don't think I'll be stopping cooking with oil because it just makes everything too good. But I'm glad to know that we can use less of it. Oh my God, this is so heavy. Ah! Isn't she beautiful? Wow, that is actually really pretty. Just take all of the plastic off. Okay, it looks like we've got 2 drawers, which are the 2 zones. Zone 1, really simple to get out. That didn't take any effort. Oh, and actually, that would be really easy to clean inside as well. It looks like it will just need a wipe down. So this is what one of the drawers looks like. Very snazzy. You can put this whole thing in water and clean it. So it's really easy to clean. And I'm guessing, yeah, this is one of the plates that sits inside to make things extra crispy. And the same goes for this one. Okay, I think actually, we could do with this living here, because then it's next to the cooker. The cooker's here, and we could have the Ninja there. That could be quite handy. So, switching on. Hello? Oh, there's an on button. My bad. in the recipe book as well. So they've got chicken fajitas and spicy roast potatoes, a bit of me, roast chicken and root vegetables, beef kofta and roasted vegetables, salami and ricotta calzone, fried pork and sweet potatoes, cheesy baked potatoes, mushroom ham and cheese arancini, lamb kebabs and aubergine wedges, fish and chips, salmon. Oh my God, I am in heaven right now. Oh my God, they've got peanut butter chocolate brownies. What? And roasted pears and shortbread. Am I in heaven? Have I just gone to heaven? Tell me now, because I need to know. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna quickly jump on TikTok and find a recipe, and then we're gonna head to the shops, buy the ingredients, and we're gonna come back and make something.
Minute air fryer soy sauce chicken wings. Tender juicy wings marinated in a soy honey garlic sauce made easily in the air fryer. To your chicken wings, add regular soy sauce.
We're making soy sauce chicken wings. Yeah, look at them. Yeah. So I actually have most of the ingredients to make this already at home. Sesame oil, red wine vinegar, light soy, dark soy, oyster sauce, olive oil, honey and garlic powder. I'm also thinking I'm going to use this as a dip for the wings, a satay chicken sort of thing going on. So I need to go to the shops now and pick up some ginger, some spring onions and some chilli and some chicken wings. Hello, we are back. Spring onions, chicken wings, £1.80. Oh, I forgot lemons. Actually, I might have some in the fridge. Some bird's eye chilies for a little kick, and a sweet potato, because I've seen plenty of people cook fries, potatoes, sweet potatoes in the air fryers, and we have a dual zone, so I might as well take advantage. And I thought sweet potato fries alongside some chicken would be spectacular. So there we go, our ingredients. By the way, I've started getting into this thing where I fold my bags. We go down a third, down another third. It doesn't even have to be like perfect. And then fold one, fold two, and then I do a corner to corner, and then another corner, and that's going to give us this little triangle. And then you pull the handles over the top like that, and we've got a little triangle. And that's so easy to fit in your pocket, which is what I usually do. And then I just chuck them all underneath the sink, and I've always got bags to go so that I don't have to buy them out. You know, I can't remember if I've like subconsciously seen it before, but so good, so good. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands and wash the chicken, and then we can get to prepping for the cooking. Generous glug of soy sauce, and then oyster sauce. Oh, yeah, looks about right. Normal soy sauce, red wine vinegar, sesame oil, a little bit, quite a lot of honey. I'm gonna do like a good generous amount. I want them to be quite sweet and sticky. Okay, I haven't got fresh ginger, but I have got this ginger puree. Recipes like this when you just need something really quick. Garlic powder. Mix really well. Now I'm getting into the sweet potato fries. So I'm just chopping it all up into fry shapes. I am thinking onion granules, paprika, I wish I had smoked, but I don't. Pink Himalayan salt and some deep south Cajun rub. So I'm gonna just go ham with the seasoning, because I just don't think you can over season chips, to be honest. And then I think I need to just a little bit of oil. I know it says that you don't need oil, but I just think they'd cook better. Apparently coconut oil is really good for sweet potatoes, which is actually what I used to cook them in as well. It's a slightly healthier option, and something to do with its high boiling point or burn point or something like that. It's meant to be good for sweet potato fries. Okay, love this though. Love this. Okay, I'm gonna let them both chill until the chicken is finished marinating, which will be in about 15. Okay, I changed my mind. I looked a little bit more into the recipe, and it seems like the fries are gonna take probably about 15 minutes longer than the chicken wings. So we're gonna toss these in, but we have this special operation where you can get them to cook and finish at the same time, even though they're at different temperatures and different time slots. So we're gonna try that. Chips straight in. I wish I had the silicone trays that you can get. I'm gonna order some from Amazon, but for now, that looks so good, look. I'm so easily pleased. Hey Siri, what is 400 degrees Fahrenheit in degrees Celsius? 204.4. Okay, so if we put them at about 205, get the chicken wings in. I don't think that these have marinated for nearly as long as they should have, unfortunately. I'm very sad about that, but we can just add some more of the seasoning and the juice on top halfway through. You're meant to be able to just stack stuff. You don't have to really worry about cooking in batches, so I've heard and seen. So I'm just gonna chuck all of the wings on top of each other, to be honest. I'll just brush the rest of this sauce on halfway through. Right, air fry. We want air fry, yes. We want time, 20, temperature, air fry, 2, air fry slightly higher at 110, but the time was lower. Oh, I think I worked it out. I can hear it. Where's it blowing the heat out of? Oh, all around the top up here. Okay, that's good. For the zone 1, it says it's now been cooking for 20 odd seconds, and this zone will be at 200. And then this zone 2 says hold, because I did the sync thing so that they're meant to finish cooking at the same time. Oh my God, it smells incredible already. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Actually, wow. Actually, wow. Okay, I'm gonna do a little, I'm gonna unlock it and see. Give them a little toss, but can you hear that? She's sizzling. They're definitely already crispy, and I can see that they're getting soft in the middle. Oh, fantastic. And actually both of them are stopped when I take it out, and then they carry on. It's fantastic, it's phenomenal, it really is. I hope these wings turn out good. I feel like I should have definitely put cornstarch with them to hold the flavour on the wing, but I'm learning, I know for next time. Okay, it has just gone off. I think the chicken wings probably would need a little bit more. Oh, god damn. The sweet potatoes look like this though. I want to do a taste test, but I'm also scared that they might be too hot. I mean, they definitely feel soft in the middle, which was all I was kind of worried about. Oh my God, these chicken wings look unreal. They look banging. They were only in there for 10 minutes, and I'm sure that you must have to cook them for at least 15. Okay, we are now finished. Moment of truth. The potato fries look so nice, and you can see they've retained all of the seasoning on them. Stunning. Now let's see the chicken wings. Wow. They look so good. They're so hot, they're piping through to the middle hot. I cut up some spring onions and some of the bird's eye red peppers, or chilies rather. We're gonna do taste tests now. So let's get a nice chippy. Feels very nice. That is so cooked through to the middle, I can't actually believe it. It took 20 minutes to cook them soft into the middle. Wow. Nice. Impressed with those. Now let's take a bite of chicken. I'm so happy. I'm so happy with my new air fryer. I can't wait to try out so many more recipes. That's it for this video. I kind of just wanted to dedicate a video to my air fryer because I've been so excited for it. Let me know what your favourite recipes are, your tips and tricks. Please, please leave them down in the comment section. But anyway, that's that for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Bye. Mwah.